Okay, this is Dana with Caliente Live Magazine, and we are in the pre-runner with Colton Gubler, Tammy Gubler, Sarah Coth, all professional drivers except me. And so we are on brand new course for the, I think they said 58 miles, Colton?
About 60, what is it, 63?
Oh, 63 new miles?
I think 63 with new miles.
Right on. Well, Tammy, I'm going to hand you this phone. Look at some of this beautiful canyon that we've got here on part of this course.
She's moving it.
So, Tammy, what do you think about this course?
I love it. So far, so good. I haven't always seen it all.
We'll give them a little bit of an idea. How long did it take you guys to prepare this course, Colton?
Oh, it's taken us almost a year now to prepare this course. Just to BLM and getting the course correct and making sure that everything's accessible by race cars and stuff, and finding something new and exciting for everybody. That's about it.
So when you do the pre-run, you can only do how many miles an hour can you do, Colton?
The pre-run's supposed to be a limit of 35 miles an hour. So anywhere between there and a little bit faster on the fast stuff that's safe. But just so that way everybody gets a good idea of the course.
When you ride this, how fast do you normally go? If it's not 35 like on a pre-run, what do you do?
During the race, through this section we're on right now, cars will be hitting up to about 100 to 120 through here in some spots. And like the limited cars, they'll be up to 80 miles an hour. And you'll be full race speed.
Right on. Well, Colton, thank you. And I'm going to take this here. So, Tammy, do you, on this new course, because you've got to help set some of this up, didn't you?
Oh, a little bit. Not much of it, though.
Now, do you have like a lot of high mountains or areas where it goes down into chutes?
Where?
In the canyons?
Lots of canyons. I haven't really been around it, so I really don't know.
Okay.
This is my first time really pre-running, and you know.
All right. Well, I'm
let
gonna
me do anything.
Sarah, I know that you've also helped to. Hi, Sarah. I know that you've also helped to do this course. What do you think?
It's new, which is really exciting. A lot of our racers tell us all the time, you know, when do we get something new? Because over and over and over again, you get 80 plus car counts. It just starts to get tiring. The course gets just extremely chewed up, and so to have something new, especially for Caliente, because a lot of our racers absolutely love this race. It's nice to get something fresh and something new, and it evens out the playing field a little bit because not everyone knows this course. So instead of going back on the other side of the hill like we have, you know, several years in a row, coming back over here, no one's seen this area. So it'll even out the playing field a little bit. And some people that don't usually get the chance to win races because they've got their competitors that know the course very well, this gives them an equal opportunity to do so.
Right on. Now, as you were doing the course and preparing it, do you have a favorite part of it that you liked?
I really liked the bladed roads because I'm finally starting to get the hang of those. Just outside of, I want to say it was pit A, there's a lot of wash, and those are always fun to go through. See,
I need to change my shorts.
Yet.
Thanks so much. Okay.
Still learning how to do that. I don't know how to do that yet.
Okay.
But it's, honestly, I'm disappointed. We left everybody in the dust. It's a good course, and I think a lot of it's fun, it's fast, it's technical, and it's definitely a driver's capability test.
Right on.
I think
Makes it sound really, really exciting. I can't wait for us to go down the hill because I'm saving saving some film to go down the hill. And Tammy, did you bring the Depends? I might need to check those later. Okay. All right, now we're looking at the back window, heading up the hill to see some of the cars that are behind us. On the Caliente 250 FunRun.
Getting those everybody behind us there.
Yeah, and look out. You see a lot of dust back there. bike races, a lot of the SNORE races, and you're like 22 years old and a seasoned driver. And Sarah, how many desert races do you think you got under your belt?
Well, I started in 2014. In 2014, I did 6, 12. Then I did 2016. So probably close to 20.
Wow, and you're how old?
21.
21. Holy cow. And Tammy, as a seasoned racer, you've got at least 100 races under your belt.
At least.
At least. And me, this is my first pre-run.
You okay, Dana?
Yeah, I'm working on it.
It's your call. My dad goes, Sarah, draw me a photo op.
Oh my goodness. So now they've got more flat roads where they pick up time. And he's driving and he's talking on the radio. I want you to know that I'm seeing this. Oh my gosh. Okay. You're laughing at me. Oh, these are hoop-de-doos. Oh. Okay.
You know how many times I've been on this road? This is like...
I need to go back and pick up my ass, okay? I left it